just at the Cheney Bridge this morning. It's a lovely sunny morning, and I think just the side of the bridge and the bus and the tram and the people now boys, it's a lovely city sketch.
Coming up to the Danube, the scenery is just spectacular. And rather than sketching kind of boats in the harbour, I kind of take a step back just to capture some of that traffic with the tram and the buses and everything coming together. So yeah, we're looking towards the bridge and just starting off as usual, drawing in our horizon line and sketching in people first. I always come back to that James Richardson book on urban sketching. It was just one of the few I kind of stumbled upon, and yeah, just thought he had a good point about, you know, people really bring a bit of energy to it. You kind of might be intimidated by the scene. Yeah, just always stick with the objects maybe that are stationary for the moment. So traffic lights, signposts, and yeah, some of the lovely kind of lamps they have there, kind of reminiscent of Dublin. And yeah, obviously if there's kind of people closer or further, just come back to that little line across the centre of the page and yeah, just draw the guys, just those shapes, maybe a circle and a square, and just draw them a bit bigger to you. Gives a nice illusion of people coming and going at different distances. And then just moving on to the Elizabethan Bridge, like that again, just using a pencil first, I think this is a good way that you know, you don't lose that sense of joy of kind of drawing, but you can also kind of go over it later in detail if you need to. Now I kind of noticed the picture might be looking a bit kind of messy or jumbled, and that just happens from me. Maybe, you know, the tram is coming through, I want to sketch it in, and yeah, kind of realising maybe it's time to kind of you know, put a bit of order on it, and it's up to people at different stages. But I think I like to take out a kind of a black Sharpie pen then just to kind of go over some of the bits that I really want to pop in. I definitely want to keep the guys kind of going by, and the tram, traffic lights, kind of the bridge obviously, and yeah, just some of the maybe the bicycles, and yeah, just when those three kind of come together, I think it just makes for a lovely scene.